Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve NetSpeed monitor installation problem. Here you can see I cannot install NetSpeed monitor software. It shows operating system not supported. So how to solve it? At first right click on the mouse and go to properties. Then go to compatibility. Here you can see compatibility mode. Click on the tick mark box and make sure run this program in compatibility mode 4 is active. Then click on apply. You don't need to change any other settings. Then click OK. Here you can see the NetSpeed monitor software installation wizard has been opened now, and now it shows next. Then install it as always. Click next and accept the license terms. Again next and install. You can see NetSpeed monitor has been installed on my computer, and wait for a while. It will show you and here asking me, do you want the NetSpeed monitor toolbar on your taskbar? Then click yes. You can see the NetSpeed monitor has been installed on my computer and is working properly. Thank you guys, thank you so much. If you have any question, please comment in below. Sorry guys, I have forgotten to share with things that after installing NetSpeed monitor properly, if you cannot see your download and upload speed, like if it says download speed 0 and upload speed 0 kbps, then right click on this NetSpeed monitor and go to configuration. Here you can see network interface. Change the network interface into Intel, then apply, and now it shows the download and upload speed. Here you can see if you cannot see and the network is proper speed, after changing the network interface, then you change to another and try with all of these adapters and find out which one is appropriate for your computer. I hope you will doing so and solve your problem. Thank you so much.